Lord, he that has a ear, let him hear what the Spirit in the churches. Because there are people here today that are saying, I can't wait anymore. Wait. Hear this word. It is from the Lord for you. For you. You have to ask God to give you the grace to manage divine delays in your lives. Because we cannot manage delay, we've now turned the Christian faith to a gadget. So we would look at this style and say this is not user-friendly. Now, the user-friendly ideology or philosophy is something easy to operate, easy to use for the person that will be using it. So if it's a bit complex or complicated, we say it's not user-friendly. Now we've turned our faith, a Christian faith, to a gadget or to a device that must be user-friendly. Now watch me. If it is a bit complicated for me to use, to work with, then I'm not sure I like that faith. And I go to a place where it is user-friendly, and because I'm doing back to basics, to be user-friendly means to be flesh-friendly. Because you want to, because the user is carnal, the user is flesh. So I look at my flesh, because there's a flesh and there's a spirit fighting wars. So I look at my flesh. I say, this thing is not friendly towards my flesh. My flesh will take it. I'm not going to enjoy my lust. I want this service to be lust servicing. I have the lust of the flesh. So when I go to your church, Sister Cholu, your church is not user-friendly to my flesh. I do not see so many cleavages. The dressing is too Christianly. So your church is too complex and complicated. It's not user-friendly. It's not flesh-friendly. It's not lust-friendly. So I won't go to your church anymore. Because your church, the ladies cover themselves. There's another church there that is user-friendly. That ministers and services my flesh and my lust. When I go there, I like it. Your choir is not covered up. Let them show some stuff. Let them show so that we can be serviced. It's a serious matter. Because we have lots of users in church and not worshippers. Because their idea about God is to a God to use, not a God to use them. So what they did was, you know what? Make us new gods to go before us. Because this Moses has delayed his coming down. So we want to use God. Can you imagine people determining their own God? I don't like this other God. I want to choose my God. And this God that Moses represents is a God of delays. So you know what? I have a choice to make. Hereon, make us gods to go before us. Give us new gods. Give us new idols to worship. I want to be user friendly. Because right now this delay is not friendly to my nature. It's not. It's giving me problems. I want to be able to say yes. Yes, I can call on you when I want. Tell you what to tell me or what to do for me. So they became idolatrous, Pastor Pedro. They made their own gods. When a man begins to determine his God, it's called religion. When God determines the life of a man, it's called faith. Ask your neighbor, say, who calls the shot? You or God? They were the ones calling the shot. They wanted to say, this is the God I want to serve. Make us gods to go before us. And like many other Herons in the world, I tell people I'm not Heron. I will not be Heron. Heron was a symbol of a weak leader. A leader that listened to the people and not to God. A leader that was shaky and unstable. A leader that preached a sermon that the people wanted to hear. A leader that listened to the pew and not the pulpit that to tell the people what to do. Aaron obliged. What kind of gods you want? You know what? In Egypt we had all kind of idols. I think we like that molten cow. Our faith is treated today like a gadget or device. What it does is it takes away relationship with God. Because they're not relating with God anymore, they're just relating with an idol. We look at the faith as an idol, as an ideology. God idea is what we call church today. People are not encouraged to talk to God, to relate with God. We want to minister to ourselves. Everything is about the user. So the company makes their device focusing on the people to make the people happy. I'm going somewhere. So everything has to do with your happiness. So what we do today is to see how we can make a service convenient to make you happy.